Hey y'all, it's your girl V and I'm back with another video. Today I am installing these clip-ins from betterlink.com. Y'all, I had these clip-ins for about 3 years and they are nothing short of amazing. I end up getting yaki straight, and so I'm going to be showing you guys how I am adding a better length to my hair, because as you see I chopped my hair all off, and yeah, I needed something different for Thanksgiving, y'all. So what I'm doing now is I'm sorting out all my extensions by largest to smallest, and I'm just going in and blow drying all the hair that is left damp, because I did pre-wash this hair, and as y'all can see, it's minimal shedding. This hair is very soft, and like I said, I got natural yaki. So yeah, this is how it's looking. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair with Miel shampoo and leave-in conditioner, y'all. This is my first time trying this product and I absolutely loved it. I just had to add that in there. Now what I'm doing here, y'all, I am trying this new method, girl, with clipping the clip-ins onto my round blow drying brush, just to keep it in place and see how this works out. Now y'all, I know I look a little awkward right here, flat ironing my hair, but please forgive me and bear with me, as it was very late and I end up finishing the rest in the morning. So right here, y'all, I'm just talking, ranting, venting, and this is the next morning. So my hair is dried up now, and I'm just again sorting out my hair from largest to smallest, because they do give you about 2 to 3 large pieces, same for medium sized pieces, and then they give you about 4 or 5 smaller pieces, as you'll see right here. So here I am, y'all. This is literally what I do. Since my hair is colored, the style I'm going for is a ponytail, so I'm just clipping the clip-ins right where my color starts, so a little bit behind my edges. So I start on the perimeter on the outside and I work myself in. So here I am, just seeing if, how it's gonna lay, making sure that my color is not showing, just checking it out. I am going back in and making sure that all my clip-ins are laid flat and in place. And I seen here that this was not getting it. This was too thin. I do my little check method. Okay, do it on up. Let's see how that ball look at the top, like that wraparound ball. Too small. We need one more. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need one more. So yeah, here I am adding that last piece in. It's probably gonna take a little minute, y'all, so enjoy this music. And there we have it, y'all. It's looking so much fuller now. I absolutely love it. It can get really, really thick if you use all of the pieces, but this time I only used a few. So here I am, y'all. I went to go get my headband that I usually wear to the gym, but I could not find it. So ultimately I got my hat that I was wearing for the day, and here I am just showing you guys how the look is going to come together. So the whole point is to hide that track around the perimeter, you see. So here I am, I see a little piece, I clip that back on together, and this is how it's looking, y'all. So I wanted that little cheerleader look, a cute little ponytail, and I wanted to add some length to my hair for Thanksgiving, y'all. So here I am showing y'all how it is staying in place if you need to go running. All right, if you're doing your aerobics, And of course, if you are at your dance class, yeah, it's gonna stay in place. I'm so silly, y'all, but this is how it's looking, y'all. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. I end up doing some makeup. Comment down below if you want to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.
Friction on, so ladies,